How electric fish had the choice to foster electric organs. Electric organs help electric fish, similar to the electric eel, do a wide scope of shocking things. They pass and receive messages that are comparable to bird tunes, helping them with seeing other electric fish by species, sex, and, shockingly, individual. One more move in science advances gets a handle on what a limited number of genetic changes enabled electric fish to foster electric organs. The finding could moreover help specialists with pinpointing the inherited changes behind a couple of human infections. Improvement took advantage of a trait of fish's genetic characteristics to encourage electric organs. All fish have duplicate variations of the exceptional quality that produces little muscle motors, called sodium channels. To propel electric organs, electric fish turned off one duplicate of the sodium direct quality in muscles and turned it on in various cells. The little motors that typically make muscles contract were reused to create electric signs, and voila! One more organ for specific astounding skills was imagined. This is stimulating since we can see how a little change in the quality can thoroughly change where it's imparted, said Harold Akin, educator of neuroscience and integrative science at the University of Texas at Austin and contrasting maker of the survey. How electric fish had the choice to foster electric organs. By University of Texas at Austin. The researchers asserted that the genetic control region they found simply controls the assertion of sodium redirect quality in muscle and the same tissues. In this image, a green fluorescent protein enlightens simply in the capacity compartment muscle in a making zebrafish lacking creature. Credit, the Mary Swartz/Johann Eberhard/the University of Texas at Austin. Electric organs help electric fish, similar to the electric eel, do a wide scope of bewildering things. They pass and receive messages that are comparative to bird tunes, helping them with seeing other electric fish by species, sex, and, shockingly, individual. One more amass in science advances figures out what a small number of genetic changes engaged electric fish to foster electric organs. The finding could moreover help specialists with pinpointing the inherited changes behind a couple of human diseases. Advancement took advantage of a quirk of fish's inherited characteristics to encourage electric organs. All fish have duplicate variations of the extreme quality that produces infinitesimal muscle motors, called sodium channels. To foster electric organs, electric fish turned off one duplicate of the sodium redirect quality in muscles and turned it on in various cells. The little motors that consistently make muscles contract were reused to make electric signs, and voila! One more organ for specific abilities to amaze was considered. This is empowering since we can see how a little change in the quality can thoroughly change where it's imparted, said Harold Akin, educator of neuroscience and integrative science at the University of Texas at Austin and relating maker of the survey. In the new paper, experts from UT Austin and Michigan State University depict finding a short fragment of this sodium channel quality, around 20 letters long, that controls whether the quality is conveyed in some irregular cell. They attested that in electric fish, this control locale is either different or totally missing. Additionally, that is the explanation for one of the two sodium direct characteristics being turned off in the muscles of electric fish. In any case, the repercussions go far past the advancement of electric fish. This control district is in many vertebrates, including individuals, Akin said. Consequently, the resulting stage to the extent that human prosperity sees this region in informational collections of human characteristics to see how much assortment there is in commonplace people and whether a couple of scratch-offs or changes in this district could provoke a cut-down enunciation of sodium channels, which could achieve disorder. The concentrate's most noteworthy maker is Sarah Lattin, an investigation expert in Akin's lab at the hour of the assessment and at present a doctoral newcomer at the University of Utah. Despite Akin, the survey's other senior makers are Johann Eberhard, an instructor of subnuclear biosciences at UT Austin, and Jason Gallant, scholarly head of integrative science at Michigan State University. Accepting they turned on the quality in both muscle and the electric organ, then, all the new stuff that was happening to the sodium redirects in the electric organ would moreover be going on in the muscle, Akin said. Consequently, it was basic to isolate the assertion of the quality to the electric organ, where it could create without harming muscle. There are two social occasions for electric fish in the world, one in Africa and the other in South America. The experts found that the electric fish in Africa had changed in the control district, while electric fish in South America lost it completely. The two social occasions appeared at a comparative response for cultivating an electric organ, losing enunciation of sodium redirects quality in muscle, anyway from two particular ways. On the off chance that you rewound the tape of life and hit play, might it at some point play back the same way, or might it at some point find new ways forward? Would improvement work the same way over and over, said Gallant, who breeds the electric fish from South America that were used in the piece of the audit. Electric fish let us endeavor to answer that inquiry, since they have at least a time or two high levels these stunning qualities. We swung for the dividers in this paper, endeavoring to fathom how these sodium channel characteristics have been on and on lost in electric fish. It genuinely was a helpful effort. One of the accompanying requests the researchers want to answer is the means by which the control region created to turn on sodium redirects in the electric organ.